The electrolyte is a mixture of 60% water and 40% sulfuric acid in a fully charged state. When you use the battery, for example, starting the Volvo 140 series in the morning, some of the sulfuric acid is absorbed into the plates and the electrolyte becomes weaker. That's why a discharged battery has a lower specific gravity. In the Volvo 140 series, the alternator, originally a Bosch unit, recharges the battery while you drive. It pushes current back into the battery in the opposite direction, restoring chemical energy for the next start.